So the new shed coming to Digger Ranch, it's at my buddy's place, and I called a local shed company, Ron's Lumber, Ron's Portable Buildings, and they're coming out to load this up and move it out to Digger Ranch. I just thought I'd share this with you because check out his equipment. This is awesome. Check that out. Sounds like it's a little gas engine. It's a V-twin tracked machine that picks up sheds. I'm so intrigued by this thing. It's a Honda. So Honda V-twin tracked machine, and he's gonna go move the shed with this. Honda GX800 V-twin. That's awesome. It's like almost the same as my Durettes with a Honda GX690s. By this. Watch out for wasps.
What?
Wasps. Looks we got like some trash cleanup to do. Look at these wasp nests. Oh, that dude's still there. There's one. Look at these. Those are all those invasive fake ladybugs everywhere. I'm importing wasps to Digger Ranch. Ugh. So he's got the wheels in place, and now he's going to come around to the front, pick it up, and just roll it on out. Wow. That's awesome. So you can control the truck? No, the trailer comes back with that. Man, that's awesome. So his remote is making the whole trailer extend to get back to the shed. Holy cow, never seen this. So he's sliding it under by extending the trailer. Wow. I have never seen anything like that. Holy cow, that was cool. Man, you got side to side, you got three wheel, you got pancake?
That's it.
That's crazy. 930 hours. 336 work hours. That's cool. These are tracks. That's wild. We got a farm jack. Gas tank off to the side. Bodily injury or death could result. Danger. Danger zone. I got to operate a donkey. That is a great toy. Just coming up, shed's behind me, and I think it's raining at the property. Digger Ranch looks like it's under a cloud of rain. That's crazy. How long is that trailer?
Just the bed itself is 28 feet. I think altogether with the tongue and everything, it's 33. Now, a 28-foot bed can extend out to 44 foot because my tail comes out.
Wow. How far does the front extend?
7 feet. So you got the front extension, you got the tongue, and you got the tail, which is the back stinger.
Oh, that's so cool. He claims he's a badass at driving trailers and moving sheds. I agree. I agree. Yeah, you are a badass at moving this stuff around. Woo, that's soft. That's good. I'm gonna call it. I'm putting the camera up. It's really, really wet out. Thanks for watching the shed adventure today. It was awesome to see the mule in action. And yeah, next time I come out, hopefully I'll have a dry place to hide from the rain in. So, if you want to see more content on old Digger Ranch and what I'm going to do with the shed, like and subscribe. There's a lot more stuff coming. So, have yourself a great day. Thanks for coming out. And try to stay dry out there.